So in last concept we discussed about the background jobs. So today we are going to discuss operation modes. The list of T codes in operation mode. Operation modes nothing but shifts actually. So list of T codes in operation modes. The first one is RZ04. Second one is RZ03. RZ04 and RZ03. RZ04, this is the T code for create operation mode, means shifts. Operation modes nothing but shifts. Create operation modes and delete also, depends on the requirement to delete. Create and delete operation mode. RZ03, switch the shifts. Switch the operation modes. Okay, switch the operation modes. So what is switching and how to create operation modes, how to delete operation modes, we'll discuss in detail.
Surya garu question actually. Operation modes purpose and ఒకసారి చెప్తారా అంటే
Yes, I'll explain you.
Thank you.
Okay, so what is operation modes, what is the purpose of the operation modes? So see here, so see here, so whenever we entered SM50, we can able to see the list of our process. Okay, so 0 to 16 means total 17 work processes are there. 17 work processes are there. Apart from 17 work processes, dialog work process 10. 0 to 9 dialog work process. Next, background 3. Next, update. This is update 1. Okay, so we'll discuss later. So see here, so as per the present requirement, we need only dialog and background. So dialog work processes are 10. 0 to 9 means 10 dialog work processes are there, and 3 background work process. Okay, so in daytime we need more number of dialog work process. In daytime we need more number of dialog work process. dialogue or process. But in night time, we need more number of background or process. Okay, so in daytime, we need more number of dialogue or process. In night time, we need more number of background or process. Okay, so what are the work process are available? It means 0 to 9, 10 dialogue or process, 3 background. Okay, so these work process are sufficient for daytime. Okay, what about nighttime? Actually, in nighttime, we need more number of background or process. Na? More number of background or process means quite opposite. So we need so minimum 10 dialogue, 10 background or process, and less number of dialogue or process. Why? Because in night time there is no use of dialogue or process. In daytime there is no use of background or process. So that's why in daytime we need more number of dialogue or process and less number of very important point, less number of background. In night time we need more number of background or process, less number of dialogue. Less number of dialogue means compulsory we need to maintain minimum 2 we need to maintain. But if you take in background, less number of background means minimum 1. Okay, understood my point? In daytime, we need more number of dialogue or process, less number of background. Less number of background means only one background is enough. Okay, so it means in daytime, as per the current running work process, so total 13, not 13, 12, 12 dialogue or process, one background is enough in daytime. In night time, 12 background and 2 dialogue. Twelve dialogue or process and only, sorry, 12 background and 2 dialogue. Why? Because minimum is 2 in dialogue. But if we take in daytime 13 dialogue or process and only one is sufficient background easily. Okay, we need this one. In daytime we need more number of dialogue or process and less number of background, and nighttime quite opposite, more number of background, less number of dialogue. Okay, so here in operation modes concept we can able to convert dialogue work process to background, background work process to dialogue. We can able to convert dialogue work process to background and background work process to dialogue, vice versa. Okay, but we are not able to convert dialogue work process to update, dialogue work process to enqueue, dialogue work process to spool. We are not able to convert the background work process to update, background work process to spool, background work process to enqueue, background work process to update. Okay, so the only possibility is dialogue to background and background to dialogue. Got it? And one more thing, in daytime already we discussed we need more number of dialogue or process, less number of background. In night time we need more number of background, less number of dialogue, but that should be dynamically affected, no need to restart. In daytime 12 dialogue and 1 background, in night time 12 background and 2 dialogue. okay, automatically affected. No need to restart the server, application server. Okay, so how it is possible, we'll discuss. Okay, understood this one, Swaz garu?
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
Okay, why? Because we have only one server. There is no second, means there is no second server for night shift. We have only one shift. Okay, so best example is, I will explain one more general example. For example, if you take our institute having only one class, for example, only one classroom. In morning time, it means morning, in daytime, in this classroom, SAP basis classes are going on. SAP basis classes are going on. In night shift, SAP ABAP classes are going on. But we have only one classroom. Okay, but in day shift, that is look like a SAP basis classroom. In night shift, that is look like SAP ABAP classroom. But the thing is, there is only one classroom. In the same way, we have only one server. In that server, combination of dialogue and background, total we have 13 work process. Total. We need only dialogue and background only. No need update NQ spool. Why? Because we are not able to interchange dialogue to update, dialogue to NQ, dialogue to spool. So that's why we need to take dialogue and background work process only. Total 13 work processes are there. Okay. So in daytime, apart from 13, 12 dialogue work process, one background. In night time, so everything is means the quite opposite. 12 background, 2 dialogue. Understood my point?
Yep.
ఓకే, సో మనకి ఒకటే క్లాస్ రూమ్ ఉందనుకోండి, ఆ క్లాస్ రూమ్లోనే బేసిస్ మార్నింగ్ నుంచి ఈవినింగ్ వరకు బేసిస్ జరుగుతుంది. సో ఈవినింగ్ లైక్ 7:30 తర్వాత అబాబ్ క్లాసెస్ నడుస్తాయి అనుకోండి, అంటే ఒక క్లాస్ రూమే. బట్ సో డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ ద రిక్వైర్మెంట్, అవి చేంజ్ చేసుకుంటాం. అంటే క్లాస్ రూమ్ లైక్ సబ్జెక్ట్ చేంజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. ద సేమ్ వే మనకున్నది ఒకటే సర్వర్, దెర్ ఇస్ నో సెకండ్ సర్వర్ ఫర్ నైట్ షిఫ్ట్. ఒకటే సర్వర్ ఉంది. ఉన్న సర్వర్ని ఎలా మౌల్డ్ చేసుకుంటాం, ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాం, డైలాగ్ టు బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్, బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ టు డైలాగ్. దట్ ఈస్ అ కాన్సెప్ట్. ఓకే.
Surya, question here.
Yes.
Actually, I don't know whether it's
Yeah.
like a valid question or not. But you're saying that, like 12 dialogue work process, one background, right? Must be one background.
Yes.
And daytime, nighttime, 12 background and 2 dialogue work process.
Yes.
Is there any like parameter for the certain numbers?
Yes. అంటే నంబర్స్ అంటే అదే మనకి ఎక్కువ కావాలి. నైట్ టైంలో వి నీడ్ మోర్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్. ఎందుకంటే నైట్ మనకి క్లయింట్ కాపీస్ కానీ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ లైక్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ జాబ్స్ కానీ రన్ చేసేది నైట్ టైంలో.
We can assign like 20 background jobs and 2 dialogue work process in the night time. In daytime we can assign like 25 dialogue work process and 2 background jobs in the.
ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయి 25? ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయండి మనకున్నది టోటల్ బ్యాక్?
No, let's assume like okay, if the server is like the hardware is very big, we can increase the number of jobs, right?
Yes.
Is that possible?
Yes, ఉన్నాయి అనుకో, నో ప్రాబ్లం అండి.
Okay.
బట్ ఇప్పుడు మనకి రన్ అయ్యే సర్వర్ లో దాన్ని తీసుకుంటే ఓన్లీ డైలాగ్ టు బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ తీసుకుంటాం మనం. రిమైనింగ్ అప్డేట్ అండ్ స్కూల్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నా మనకు అనవసరం. బట్ దీంట్లో యాజ్ పర్ ద కరెంట్ రన్నింగ్ సర్వర్.
Okay, got it.
ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, మీరు అన్నది 100% కరెక్ట్. ఆర్గనైజేషన్ లో మనకి డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ ద హార్డ్వేర్ సైజు. వర్క్ మనకి డైలాగ్ వర్క్ ప్రాసెస్ 20 అండ్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ వర్క్ ప్రాసెస్ 10 ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి. డే టైంలో మీరు అంటే టోటల్ 30 అవుతాయి. డే టైంలో మీరు 29 డైలాగ్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు, 1 బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు.
Yeah, got it. Yeah.
Okay.
Just for the clarification.
Yes, good question that is. So night time లో 28 బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్, 2 డైలాగ్. ఎందుకంటే డైలాగ్ వర్క్ ప్రాసెస్ 2 కన్నా తగ్గవండి, డిగ్రీ చేయలేము ఇంకా దాన్ని.
Okay.
దట్స్ వై మినిమం 2 మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి డైలాగ్ వర్క్ ప్రాసెస్. అందుకని 28 background, 2 dialogue night time. డే టైంలో 29 డైలాగ్ 1 బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్. అంటే డిపెండ్స్, టోటల్ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ ద రన్నింగ్ సర్వర్. ఆ పర్టికులర్ రన్నింగ్ సర్వర్లో ఎన్ని వర్క్ ఉన్నాయో బేస్ చేసుకుని దాన్ని బట్టి, అంతేగాని ఇది ఫిక్స్డ్ అని కాదండి.
Got it. Thank you.
Okay, so see here. So actually this is a server, present running server. So as per the server, 13 means 0 to 9 10 dialogue, and 1 2 3 12 13 14 background. So 10 plus 3 13 workflows are there. Okay, so the current running server. But the thing is, present we have 4 shifts are there. Present our organization having 4 shifts. So present our organization having 4 shifts: morning shift, afternoon shift, evening shift, and night shift. Okay, the timings are 6 a.m. to 12 p.m., 12 p.m. to 6 p.m., 6 p.m. to 12 a.m., 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. So every shift having
Okay.
6 hours. So 4 shifts. It means we should not, as like we should maintain like a 24 hours format. We should not any. We should not maintain any time gap. So we should maintain 24 hours. If the organization having 3 shifts, 24 by 3 shifts. If the organization having 4 shifts, 24 by 4 shifts. Okay, so we should maintain 24 hours format. Okay, but the thing is, okay, this is June month running operation modes nothing but shifts. But July month onwards, July 1st onwards, our organization having only 2 shifts instead of 4. Organization need only 2 shifts. So see here, these are current running shifts. But July onwards, only 2 shifts: day shift and night shift. Day shift timings are 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Night shift timings are 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. Work process dialog as per the present running server. Dialog work process 13, because this is day shift, so we need more number of dialog. And background BZD or BTC only 1. Sorry, not 13, 12 only. So total 13, no? So 10 dialog and 3 background. Total 13. Apart from 13, 12 dialog were process and 1 background we need. If we take in night shift, dialog word process 2 background 13. Sorry, 12. This is 12. Sorry, 11. 11 only. No? Okay, total 13. Okay, so this is our requirement. Means so July 1st onwards, our organization required only 2 shifts instead of 4, 2 shifts, and every shift having 12 hours. And in day shift, we need 12 dialog word process, 1 background. In night shift, we need 11 background, 2 dialog. I'm going to save this one. Okay, so answer this point.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah, see here, first we need to check. So how many operation modes are running present the server RZ04? Yeah, 4 shifts are running. Okay, morning shift, afternoon shift, evening shift, night shift. 4 shifts are running. Okay, got it? No? So morning shift 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. Na? So same. Afternoon shift is 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. Na? And 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. that is evening shift, and 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. that is a night shift. Okay, but the thing is, July 1st onwards, our organization required only 2 shifts. See here, July 1st onwards, our organization required only 2 shifts, so day shift and night shift. These are the work process. Okay, so if you take timings, so otherwise the shifts, so the timings and the shifts are not matched based on our requirement. So the timings, actually the existing operation modes are every shift having 6 hours, but our required operation modes every shift having 12 hours. So the timings is not match. Timings also not match. And if you take the shifts, so present the running shifts are 4: morning shift, afternoon shift, evening shift, and night shift. 4 shifts are there, but our required shifts are only 2. So first of all, we need to delete the existing operation modes. Why? Because those are not reach our requirement. The timings are different, the shifts also different shifts. Okay, so that's why I'm going to delete the existing operation modes. For both, it means create or delete, we should use RZ04 only. So present we are in RZ04T code. RZ04T code. So once if we take any shift, the shift having the timings, we are not able to delete the directly. We are not able to delete the shift. It means place the cursor on morning shift. Just place the cursor on morning shift and click on operation mode. Delete. Actually, this is a process, but I try to delete the shift, morning shift. But the time already assigned 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. Click on delete. What happened? We got error message. Deletion is not possible because the morning shift is assigned to the timetable. The timetable is already assigned. That's why we are not able to delete the operation mode. Okay. So first we need to delete the timetable of 4 shifts. First we need to delete the timetable of the 4 shifts. Then we can delete one by one. Okay. So see here. First click on operation mode. This is the delete. How to delete operation mode. Delete operation mode. So how to delete? RZ04 is the same T code. RZ04. This is for create delete. Okay. So click on operation mode. First we need to delete the timetable. That's why I click on timetable and click on change. So see here, every shift having 6 hours. So first I'm going to delete morning shift, that is 6 a.m. means morning shift start time. Morning shift start time is 6 a.m. and morning shift end time, that is 12 p.m. So I need to double click on 6 a.m. and double click on 12 p.m. You can observe here the color is changed. It means the shift is selected. Morning shift is selected. Okay, and click on delete assignment. So this is delete assignment. Next delete afternoon shift. So double click on afternoon shift start time, that is 12 p.m. and double click on afternoon shift end time, that is 6 p.m. Okay, color is again, the color is changed to black. That means that is selected, the shift is selected. Click on delete assignment. So this option, click on delete assignment. And evening shift, double click on evening shift start time, that is 6 p.m. and double click on 12 a.m. The color is changed, means that is selected. Click on delete assignment. Next, night shift 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. delete assignment. So you can observe here the arrow mark is at 7 to 8. What is the meaning of this one? So present the time 7:19. So that's why it shows as 7 to 8. Okay, this one. Click on save. I'm going to save this empty timetable. Click on continue. Click on yes. Okay, click on back. You can observe here there is no timetable. Timetable is deleted just now. The timetable is deleted. So next we need to delete the shifts. One by one shift we need to delete. Okay. So first I'm going to delete a morning shift. This one. Just place the cursor on morning shift. Click on operation mode at the top of window. Delete. Yes. Okay. Next, place the cursor on evening shift. Operation mode. Delete. Yes. Next. Okay. Evening shift. Okay. So no problem. You can delete any. So there is no need to any sequence. So next, afternoon shift. Place the cursor on afternoon shift. Operation mode. Delete. Yes. Night shift. Place the cursor on night shift. Operation mode. Delete. And yes. So finally we got no operation modes are defined. Means so there are no operation modes. Okay. So here I'm going to create operation mode as per the requirement. Already we know the requirement. From July 1st onwards, our organization required only 2 shifts, day shift and night shift. See here, day shift and night shift. Instead of 4, organization need only 2 shifts. Okay. So first we need to, and one more thing, very important thing is operation modes deletion. At the time of operation modes deletion process, first we need to delete timing, means a timetable. Timetable of 4 shifts, means the existing shifts. Okay, very important thing this one. First, if you want to delete the operation mode, First we need to delete the timetable, then only we can delete the descriptions like morning shift, afternoon shift, evening shift, and night shift. If that any of the operation mode having the timetable, means the timings, we are not able to delete directly. So first we need to delete the timetable, then only you can delete the descriptions. So then delete the descriptions. Descriptions like morning shift, afternoon shift, like this. Okay, I think understood my point. So next one, operation modes creation. This is quite opposite of deletion process. So if you want to create operation modes, first we need to create the shifts. Shifts nothing but like a day shift or night shift. Okay, so first we need to create the shifts, then assign timetable. Okay, so if you want to delete the operation mode, first we need to delete the timetable, then only we can delete the descriptions like morning shift, afternoon shift, evening shift, and night shift. If any of the operation mode having the timetable, so we are not able to delete it directly. Okay, so I think understood my point. Next, at the time of operation modes creation, first we need to create the shifts like as per the requirement, day shift and night shift. First we need to create, then the timetable you can assign after create the shifts, then we can assign the timetable as per the requirement. Okay, so this is, so here timetable, first we need to create the shifts now. So go to login pad. This is RZ04. I'm going to create two shifts as per the requirement. Here one option is there now. This is create operation mode. Just click on create operation mode, day shift, enter the short description also, day shift, click on save. Next, click on create operation mode, night shift, click on save. Okay, so day shift, night shift. Okay, next assign the timetable now. So day shift timetable is 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. is the night shift timetable. Okay, so click on operation mode at the top of window, click on timetable, and 24 hours format, just click on change this one. And this is the timetable. So 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. this is going to be day shift. Okay, so double click on day shift start time, that is 8 a.m. Start time is 8 a.m. Double click on the day shift end time, that is 20 p.m. Okay, you can observe here the color is changed, it means the timetable is selected. Okay, and next click on assign. Click on assign, select operation mode from browser, select operation mode as day shift from browser, click on continue. Okay, next 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. click on assign, select operation mode as night shift, continue, save. Okay, click on back. So you can observe here day shift timings, night shift timings. Next to assign the work process. Okay, so here instance operation modes. So option is there now. Just click on instance operation modes. Click on instance operation modes. So click on create instance. So what is our host name? Host name nothing but SAP installed system name. So you can see the host name in our SAP login pad also. CS EHP CST EHP5 is our host name. CST EHP5. CST EHP5 here is our host name. Next, what's the instance number? System name, SAP system number, nothing but instance number. So what is our instance number? So I think 85 is a instance number. So in the place of 00, enter 85 and startup profile. Click on browser. So apart from these two, what is our startup profile? See here, this is also startup profile. This is also startup profile. But what is our, as per the current requirement, what is our startup profile? So this is our startup profile. Why? Yes, second one. Why? Because 85 is the instance number, CST EHP5. But you can observe the first one, 50 is the instance number, ID3 TDC00. So that is not our host name. So second one is our startup profile. Double click on startup profile, and next we need to click on instance profile. We need to select the instance profile. Click on the browser. So here, what is our instance profile? So instance profile always starts with SID only. So this is our SID. CST is our SID. That's why the first one is instance profile. So whenever we double click on this one, automatically the list of purposes are automatically displayed. See here. You can observe. Click on save. First we need to click on save. And we got a message pop-up window. The profile CST DVBMGS85 underscore CST HP5 does not contain any error. Does not contain any error. No issues are there. I'm going to click on continue. Okay. So we got this pop-up window. So here we need to decide daytime how many work processes we need. So present to, as per the current requirement, we need two shifts, day shift and night shift. So first we need to assign the work process to day shift. So in day shift, how many work process we need? In day shift, 12 dialogue and 1 background. So that's why the cursor, you can check here, the cursor is blinking on background only. The cursor is blinking on background. So based on the background, we need to think, we need to click on plus or minus. Minus only. Why? Because only one background is enough. Okay. So whenever click on minus, the work process is assigned to dialog only. You can observe here. Whenever click on minus, the work process is assigned to dialog only, not update, not enqueue, not spool. Okay. And next, for operation mode, for day shift operation mode. So double click on day shift. Click on save. We got a pop-up window. Assign work process distribution to other operation modes. It means you want to assign the work process to any other operation mode. Yes, we have two shifts. Day shift is okay. Night shift. So that's why I click on yes. Okay. So we got one more pop-up window. So here also the cursor is blinking on background. So based on the background, we need to think. So we need to click on plus or minus, think. We need to think. Yes. So this is night shift. That's why we need more number of background. More number means, okay, 11 background. So that's why I click on plus. So after getting the dialog work process minimum 2, whenever click on plus, the dialog work process never decreased because minimum is 2. Okay. So next, for operation mode, night shift. Night shift. Click on save. Again, we got a pop-up window. Assign work process distribution to other operation modes. No. So we have only 2 shifts. So that's why click on no. Okay. So we got this window. Okay. So this is RZ04. So this is RZ04. Okay. RZ04 is completed. In RZ04, if the existing operation modes are not reach our requirement, first we need to delete the operation modes. First we need to delete the timetable. Then operation modes means descriptions. Okay, and assign the work process as per the current requirement. Okay, you can observe here in day shift 10 dialogue 1 background, in night shift 2 dialogue 11 background. Okay, so that is actually our organization requirement. Okay, RZ4 is successfully completed. Next, we need to think about RZ03. What is RZ03? Switch the shifts. Switch means, so first we can check out the work process SM50. How many dialogue work process, how many background work process, we can check here. How many dialogue? Same, 10 dialogue and 3 background. Actually, you got a doubt here. In daytime, already we assigned 12 dialogue and only 1 background, but that is not affected here. Why? Because we are not activated. The shift is not activated. Just we created only. Okay, we are not activated. Once we activated the shifts, so what are the work process in daytime? Those are going to be displayed here. Okay, I'm going to activate this one. Okay, without disturb this window, I'm going to open one more window by using new session. Okay, RZ03. Oh, RZ03. So click on operation mode. Choose operation mode. So this one. Click on choose operation mode. Click on choose operation mode. So double click on day shift. Double click on day shift. Okay, and click on control at the top of window. We have control option is there. Just click on control. Switch. This is important. Switch operation modes to all active servers. Click on control, switch operation modes to all active servers. Click on yes. Okay, and minimize this window. This is the, so just refresh this one. Yes, you can observe here. Dialogue 12. Otherwise here you can see here 9 to 0 to 9, 10 dialogue, and here.
Yeah.
Total 12 background, sorry, 12 dialogue work process, only 1 background is there. Only 1 background. Okay, 1 background. Only 1 background. Why? Because that is activated. Okay, so present we are in 7:37. So after half an hour, automatically the day shift is converted into night shift. No need to restart. At the same time, the work process also automatically affected. It means what are the work process we assign? Means 11 back, sorry, 12, sorry, 11 background and 2 dialogue is affected. For example, in daytime, I want the night time work process. In daytime, for example, we are at 1 p.m. afternoon 1 p.m. But I need what are the work processes are running in night time. Those work processes are we need in daytime. Yes, that is also possible. See here. Go to RZ03. Switch the shifts. Just to switch only. So, for example, we are not switch the shifts daytime. So 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. the work process means A 12 dialog work process, two background, one background. The work process are displayed. Okay, whenever that times the system time reach 8 p.m. automatically 11 background, two dialog is displayed. Okay, that's okay. That's the server is running smoothly. But depends on the requirement. Our organization required what are the work processes are running in night shift, night time. Those work processes we needed daytime. Okay, so that is also possible. See here, just choose operation mode, night shift. But actually we are in daytime. Okay, but we need the work process, what are the work processes are running in night time, those work processes we need at daytime. So double click on choose operation mode, double click on night shift, and click on control, switch operation modes to all servers. Click on yes. Go to without disturb this window, I'm going to open one more window. So enter the T code SM50, the list of our process. You can observe here 1 2 3 4 5 6 background, 6 plus 2 8 plus 3 11, total 11 background or process. And you can observe dialog, this one and this one only. Got it? But we are in day shift too. What are the work processes are running in night time, those are affected. That is also possible. Okay, so this is about RZ03. If RZ03 is not there, what happened? Day shift 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. 12 dialog and one background is running. So whenever the server reach 8 p.m. automatically 11 background, two dialog are displayed. Okay, so but in RZ03 we can switch day shift. In day shift we can switch to night shift work process also. In night shift we can switch to day shift work process also, depends on the requirement. Okay, so this is about operation modes, very very important and very easy also.